Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there today? I am going to briefly, it's going to be a short video. I'm back on behalf of the Power Lead System. If you've been watching me, I've been speaking of this program for about 90 days now. And I'm super excited about it. Power Lead System has been around about 5 years, guys. The parent company has been around almost 20 years. So you're looking at a solid program. You're here because you're looking for a way to make some extra income from home, or you're looking to just add some additional income, an additional income stream to what you already have. Okay, so this is a perfect program. No experience is required. It's perfect for a newbie because basically everything is done for you. It's a done for you funnel. Let's say that everything is set up and in place and just waiting for you to plug in. That's all you've got to do. And we've got everything set up for you step by step. Real simple, easy program. I like to call it automated income. Okay, what you're looking at right here is one of the capture pages that we have in the back office. And this is what you would do. Select one of the capture pages. We want to keep this simple, guys. Before I get started, I want to say to all my folks out there that's in Power Lead System, we have everything laid out for you guys. But the first thing you want to do, don't get caught up in all the training and all that in the beginning. What you want to do first off is go in log in your back office, click the Get Started button, set up your funnel, set up your profile, and start running traffic. You can start reading all the training and all that stuff later, but you're here to make money, so you want to plug in and get started. Don't procrastinate, with all the back office things back there, and it's just wasting time. Get plugged in, get started, start getting traction in your business, start getting eyeballs in front of your offer. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, so Power Lead System, a marketing system, a marketing tool for anyone that's marketing online. That's what this platform is for. It's basically a toolbox, okay, whether you have a business online or business offline. And number one, let me say one thing is perfect for, and what everybody needs is to learn how to market online. It has training in the back office as well, internet marketing training, so it's going to teach you how to market online as well. Okay, and I'm saying that to say, it's so many people out here marketing incorrectly. I'm going to give you an example, and this probably happens to you guys. I get people that opt into the page, and they're trying to reverse market me their business opportunity. That's not how you market, guys. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Okay, so this is a reason why you need Power Lead System, so you can learn how to market the correct way. That is not how you market. Spamming people, going into their pages and reverse marketing them your offer, or spamming them on Facebook or all the different social media sites. That's not how to do it. We do have training to teach you how to do that. Okay, but the simple way, and what I like to do, is I like cold traffic. I don't chase people, any of that stuff. I send cold traffic to my capture page, something like this. This is an example of one of our pages, and let the people that have asked for information about making money look at your opportunity. Okay? I don't go out and bother people and harass people about joining my business. It's millions of people out here. Pay for the traffic. It will sift and sort. If the people aren't serious, no big deal. I don't waste my time. Okay? Let the system do the selling and telling for you. That's what I like about Power Lead System. They have a great, we'll click that so you can see what it looks like. They have a great presentation. They have a great follow-up. Their email autoresponder will follow up for you. Okay? So you don't have to worry about that. Just get the people in front of the opportunity. So you want to get people to a capture page. Pick one that's already in the back office. Don't worry about trying to create anything. These are already ready for you to go. This is one that's in the back office. Okay, we're going to show you where to get paid traffic, or better yet, join our co-op. Just pay for the co-op and let the paid advertising send people to your capture page. Once they go here, they get to see a presentation like this. Okay, this is one of the sales pages, and they're going to watch this. This is going to play, and it's going to do all the selling and telling for you, and it's going to highlight all the features and the benefits of being a part of this print. Okay, And there's another video with the comp plan. They keep it simple, guys. I can't tell you how many people I really speak to. The only people I speak to are the ones that actually see me online or people that are already on my list. But cold traffic, these people actually see this information and they just sign up. They never even call. Okay? And if you can take a look at this page. My number is nowhere on this page, right? Nowhere, my name, nothing is on this page, and it converts people on its own. Okay? You don't need to try to reinvent the wheel here. It's already created. Okay? So it's just that easy. Send paid traffic to a capture page and let this funnel do the selling and telling. Okay? Now, as you can see here, I'm going to flip over and we'll go back so that you can see that I have all 3 levels. Okay? Okay, I have all 3 levels as you can see. Okay, gold, diamond, and platinum. Gold is $53.97 a month. You're going to make $20 residual. Diamond, you're going to pay $147 one time, make $100, and you're going to make overrides. And then the platinum is $497 one time, and you make $400. Okay, it's just that easy, guys. All you need to do is just plug in. We have everything ready for you to go. Okay. Don't complicate this. Don't keep reading all kind of things in the back office and messing around in the back office. And next thing you know, you've been in the program a month, okay, and you haven't done anything with it. That was the whole point for you to join, to go ahead and get started, not to procrastinate, right? I set up just for the Power Lead system so that I keep track of what's going on. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of opt-ins. I've got a campaign that's running right now. There was a goal that came in on Friday. As you can see, these leads are coming in. Okay, this is a new email, so I have way more than that. I got about 1,400 people in my downline, but I created this email because my other one was actually getting overloaded, and this one is strictly just for the Power Lead system. Okay, so it's set up for you. It is ready to go. There's no need to, procrastinate with it. Just get started, plug in. We'll get you, once you start with me, what I do is I send out a welcome email when anyone pays. They become a gold member or even lead lightning. Once you pay, we send to everybody that joins us, and we get you connected with our Facebook group, and we give you instructions on what you need to do to get started. But you definitely need to log in like where I am right here. Click this get started button, and it will take you through 3 steps. After that, you're going to plug into the email that I send you. It's going to tell you what to do from that point. Okay? And connect with me. It will get you going. Okay? But this is a great opportunity and a way to market online. Okay? To get you some residual income coming in. And as you can see from this illustration, you're also going to make 50 matching bonus on everybody that joins you. That's powerful. That's very powerful. So the potential with this is unlimited. To be able to make 50% off of people, even the ones you pass up. That's unheard of in this industry. Normally when you pass up someone, they're gone forever. They're no longer part of your team. You can't make any money off of them. But Power Lead System has put a twist on that, and you're connected with them forever. So you're able to make 50% matching bonus off of everyone you bring into the business. Okay? So this is very powerful and a great residual income stream. So I highly recommend you get started with it. So what I'm going to do, I kept it short. I'm going to put the link below, let you check it out, go through my funnel, see how it works, see the follow-up emails, and let's connect. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, I'll see you on the inside. Have a blessed day.